I'm gonna build that swing set, or that swing I should say. So I got the piece of steel rod, and on here I've got 1/8 rod. I'm just gonna weld it to there. And that should do it. Doesn't come apart. I'm confident that wouldn't break. Now I'm gonna build a little girl for this thing here. So now that's gonna be really a tricky area. Welding things this small with a wire feed welder is not gonna be easy, but that's what I'm gonna have to do. I've started making a little body to put on that swing. What I'm using is some of those little pieces that I cut on the bias. I'm using that for the body. I'm just about to put the right arm on now. Okay, that's good. So we got a little body. At least upper body. And that up with the swing. Make sure it's wide enough. Let's make the lower part. And for that I gotta cut another piece of steel. So I have my lower part of steel for the dress. I've cut the torso a bit off flat at the bottom there so I can fit it onto the other piece. Now I'm going to take my Dremel tool and clean it up a bit. There's that little body. I'll hold on to the hand so you can see it a little bit better. I'm just going to put legs on it. That looks pretty good. Time to attach the little girl to the swing now. I think what I'm actually going to do is weld where she's sitting down to the seat and then very lightly do a tack weld by the hand, so it'll give the appearance that she is holding on to the swing. Okay, so I'm going to clean this up again, and then I will attach it to the tree. I was about ready to do some painting when I thought I wanted to put some hair on the little girl, so I came up with this idea to just get those little pieces of metal that I cut on the bias for the leaves and put some slits in it, like so, with my bandsaw, and then welded that onto the back of her head. I just gotta go clean it up now. You can see now she has a full head of hair. When you want to bring something to life, you want to create movement. Instead of putting the swing pointing straight down, put it at an angle. To create a forward action, her legs had to have been stretched out and her leaning back. And now with the hair leaning back as well, it shows that she's actually swinging downwards, right? So it's all about creating those little details for movement and such like that. But you really have to use your imagination. If you were doing it, or if someone else were doing it and you were watching, how would that look? What would they be doing? And then after you figure those things out, then you have to create the motion. I think I'm going to put my wire feed welder down and my grinding tools down and bring this project to a close by painting it. Finally, that's it. I'm done. I'm not adding anything else. To see the little girl on swing with the other application she's in, the tree in which she's swinging from. Watch my other video titled Jewelry Tree. Subscribe to my channel, See Troy Does It. Send some comments, some likes. The more interest I get, the more videos I'm going to be making. Thank you, and I'll see you next time on See Troy Does It.